Good day, everyone. My name is Dimaculangan, Applications Engineer of Computrends Systems Technology Inc. I will be discussing DraftSight, offering more for less. Computer-aided design has been around for a long time, and DWG is still the most popular format for 2D drawings. But has it really changed all that much in 40 years to help you be more productive? DraftSight has a similar capabilities and a familiar interface and has more flexible licensing. So here, I will discuss to you about DraftSight. So DraftSight overview. So DraftSight has a professional grade 2D design and drafting. It is serving a worldwide market since 2011. It has over 200,000 clients worldwide and has minimal learning curve for the CAD designers and have flexible licensing options. DraftSight also creates and edits any kind of 2D drawing. It has a familiar interface and commands. It is localized in 14 languages and support for drawing standards and also has support for block and symbol libraries. So you could also customize the user interface and has a comprehensive API. DraftSight licenses and packages flexibility. So here are some of the portfolio of DraftSight. We have the DraftSight Enterprise, wherein this is good for individuals or teams requiring cost-effective alternative to the other CAD. DraftSight Enterprise also has essential 2D design and drafting. It has an image vectorization. It has a drawing compare and smart dimensioning. So DraftSight also has APIs and auto-list support. DraftSight Enterprise is available for network licensing. It can be perpetual and has full technical support. Another is the DraftSight Enterprise Plus. The DraftSight Enterprise Plus is also for individuals or teams that requires a cost-effective alternative to other CAD. So it has the features of the DraftSight Enterprise plus the 2D constraints, 3D DWG design, and has an import or an export STL and SAT files. Also, this is available for network licensing, perpetual, and has a full technical support. So we also have DraftSight 3DEXPERIENCE DraftSight. Here, this is for teams with 2D CAD data management needs. It also includes the DraftSight Enterprise Plus features. So the installation and licensing is managed by the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. DraftSight is a named user licensing. It has a cloud data management and offers a full technical support. So the DraftSight Enterprise, you could have the 2D DWG design. So it has a legacy drawing support, the list routines, which is also available on other CAD. So it can be in DraftSight Enterprise, you could also use the list routines here. And it has a PDF import and export. It also offers power tools, auto dimension, and image tracer. While the DraftSight Enterprise Plus, it has all the DraftSight professional features, the 2D constraints, the 3D modeling, 3D meshing, and dynamic block supports. So the DraftSight looks and feels just like any other CAD. So DraftSight, you will feel comfortable in using DraftSight because it is compatible with all versions of DWG drawings and has a familiar user interface and common commands. So you can be more productive right away. And there is almost no learning curve for the other CAD users. DraftSight also has a familiar interface and common commands. So in DraftSight, you already know the commands like lines or layers, and you could edit in layer management your layers that is being used on your drawing. In DraftSight, we also have a modifying dynamic blocks. So modifying dynamic blocks, it works just as you'd expect. So in this example, so if you're going to change the direction of the door by selecting an arrow or select the size from a pull-down list, so it is that easy in modifying dynamic blocks in DraftSight. DraftSight also has APIs. Here, in API, it leverages the same elements in which DraftSight was built. It has a forward compatibility and support to the other programming language like C++, .NET, VB, or Lisp. And also, it has different types of DropSite API applications like the DropSite macro, the DropSite standalone, and also the DropSite add-in. So you will be wondering, why would I choose DropSite? So the common challenges that we encounter when it comes to drawing is that the drawing readiness for review, for production, for construction or wiring and inspection. This sometimes pose some challenges to the designers. And also, the signing off and approvals for such drawings is a tedious task to attain for those approvals. And the distribution of access rights for the drawings and the volume of drawings to track is somewhat causes challenges to the designers and the company itself for the drawings that we need to track. So, in using DraftSight, you could connect people, data, and ideas. For example, you have an unstructured collaboration, like you would use the dashboard, you would go to the communities to check for any updates or any news, and you would use your 3D drive for the files, while the structured collaboration using DraftSight, so the project plannings, the issue tracking, and the life cycle of the drawings, and you could also post the task for each individuals that concerns in the project. So the DraftSight 3D experience platform can connect people, data, and ideas. So here I will introduce to you the DraftSight 3D experience DraftSight. So the 3D experience DraftSight, you can create drawings easily, you can manage revision accurately, you could access and share drawings seamlessly, and you could track the projects and tasks effortlessly. So 3D Experience DraftSight offers cloud storage and with revision and maturity controls. So for clients who want cloud storage and data management, we offer the DraftSight connected to 3D Experience platform. So it brings centralized storage for all your DWG data with revision control and maturity, which is built right in. We also have the collaboration, task assignment, and completion in the 3D Experience DraftSight. So the drawings can be attached directly to the task, and management will have full visibility to the status and progress of each individual or group task assignment. So using 3D Experience DraftSight, you could have instant productivity for less. So DraftSight offers more for less. So instant productivity with have lower costs and more flexible licensing. Here, I will show you some of the customer success stories which have uses DraftSight. So one is the innovative manufacturing services. So their challenge usually is they utilize more efficient, cost-effective 2D design solutions for developing electrical schematics and opening legacy 2D files. So the result for their transition is that they have improved development of electrical schematics and 2D layouts. They have provided access to the legacy 2D data, and it has enhanced recruitment efforts by the company and enabled the continued use of list automation routines. Another customer success is from the young industries. So usually they have problems in optimizing the use of 2D and 3D design tools to boost their productivity and advance the development of custom material handling system. Upon transition, when they add DraftSight Enterprise to the company's existing SolidWorks 3D application platform, they accelerated the drawing, the layout, and PNID development. So they had simplified handling of 2D legacy data, and they integrated the 2D data with their PDM. And next is the central step technology. So usually their issues that they have is they want to find more cost-effective 2D CAD solution than their previous CAD for creating the DWG files to support their sales, engineering, and manufacturing. So the results for them is that they replace their previous CAD with the draft site. So upon doing that, they shorten the proposal, the quoting, the sales, and process. And then they reduce the engineering effort required to support the sales, and they have accelerated the development of their electrical schematic. So why do these customers shift from their previous CAD to DraftSight? Because they see that DraftSight is a mature product. They have a familiar interface. So this caused the minimal learning curve for them, and it offers the comprehensive API, and it has the DWG, DXF, and DGN support, and it is a cost-effective alternative. So when you transition to DraftSight, so you will have minimal learning curve, so it would be easy for you to learn the DraftSight. You could customize the interface of your drawing area. So you could use your list, auto list, because it has list support. The command ribbons are familiar, as well as the command is recognized by DraftSight. So uh, for further introduction or further reference for this, so let me show you a video for DraftSight.
Design professionals, known by their talent and their tools. Professional tools, creating first-class results. Professional designers demand the best and choose DraftSight, a 2D drafting and 3D design experience. Easy to learn, easy to use, so you can design faster. Whether you're in the office, at home, or in the field, everything you need is at your fingertips. Streamline the design process and get professional results in record time. Integrate your favorite design tools. Increase your productivity. Share your designs and collaborate. With DraftSight, you can easily bring your designs to life. Seamlessly transition from other CAD applications. Harness a robust, fast, diverse platform to unlock your creativity for any industry. Your design, your choice, your CAD. DraftSight. Learn more and buy now. DraftSight.com.
So if you'd like to learn more about DraftSight, you could visit our website or reach out to us as your local reseller today. Thank you.